Hi and welcome back to my channel Bodycraft. As promised, we are going to talk on diet today. But before I start the topic, I had promised you that I'll tell you more about Mrs. Shetty. She is not just the owner of this gym, but she is a Reebok ACSM certified, and she has done many other courses. Plus, she is a dietitian now. Am I correct?
Yeah, a clinical nutritionist.
A clinical nutritionist, so that is a step above
And you
dietitians.
forget a weight management nutritionist.
A weight management nutritionist. Now that is what I
I'll
did
put
not
it
know.
more clearly. It is a weight management and clinical nutrition consultant.
Okay, I hope you guys heard that. Okay, I'm not going to repeat the same. But hey, even I have done all the courses and even I am certified in that. So, yes, it's just that I don't have a dietitian course or
Through experience.
experience is okay, but I don't have that certification of course. But again, that's fine. I already have the owner and partner in this gym, so one is enough, I guess. So yeah, to go ahead with this topic, see, today when we say diet to someone, okay, people what they understand is not to eat food or eating only vegetables or salads or fruits, or they think dieting means to go without eating food as long as possible and when eat only once in a day. So what do you think, is that right? I mean, I know it is not right, but what would you like to put in from your point of view, from your knowledge?
You see, Andrew. Recently, I met an acquaintance of mine. I was seeing her after a very long time, and she was, totally shrunk, as though she had lost about 10 to 15 kgs.
12 to 15 kgs?
Approximately.
From
This is what
fat or muscle? That is
No.
okay.
From her appearance, I could make out. But there was no glow on her face, dark circles under her eyes. So I just happened to ask her, how did this change come about? So she said, I'm on a diet. Okay. So I said, you are on a diet? So she said, yeah, because I have literally given up eating because I wanted to lose weight. See, this is the blunder which people do. Being on a diet doesn't mean you have to give up on food. Being on a diet means eating. You know what to eat, at what time to eat, and how much to eat. And it depends on various other factors also, like genetics, the culture that you belong, the place that you belong. Okay, for a person whose forefathers have been eating rice all the time and who has been brought up eating rice, it's perfectly okay for them to have rice.
Yes, it is okay.
So you don't have to give up on a certain food.
How much you eat?
Yeah, how much you eat, when you eat,
What time you eat?
and
okay.
what time you eat.
Okay.
And the most important thing to keep in mind is, in the process of cutting down your food, see that your body is not deprived of nutrition, because you want to see the long-term effects of your diet.
Not just the short
And the
term.
diet has to be sustainable, not that you follow one day
Yeah,
and
that
tomorrow.
is one more thing. People,
Yeah.
when they start diet, they forget to stop.
Yes, sustainability is something which you have to pay more important. How long can you go on with it without depriving your body of all the nutrition that you need? In the process of giving up food, people may suffer from calcium deficiency, vitamin deficiency, because of which it can be as bad as going into depression. Forget the physical aspects, it can be as bad as going into depression. So whenever you want to lose weight,
the depression part is right, because even if you guys have ever noticed, when you're on diet, you feel angry, you feel agitated very soon, and you maybe after 2, 3, 4 days, once in a week, you tend to eat just anything you feel like.
Who does that?
You feel like eating.
Cravings for sweet.
You have cravings for sweet, and you just feel like eating anything that is across the
So
table.
my important advice is, not because I'm a weight management or a clinical nutrition consultant, it's not just propagating my work, but if you want to go on a diet, see that you go do it under a qualified nutritionist
Very
or a
important.
dietitian.
Yes, 100%. You should consult someone who has a proper knowledge about diet, not someone who asks
It's
you to.
not just about giving up food.
Absolutely. Yeah. Okay. One more thing I wanted to ask: what is it about the calorie counts? Nowadays, people, they literally have a weighing scale on the table. They eat that so much calorie is I have to take in a day. so much I have
So
to burn.
again-
So the
again-
calculations again.
Again, this is where a dietitian or nutritionist comes into the picture. Depending on your physical activity throughout the day
True.
and various other factors like your height, body mass index, basal metabolic rate, you get to decide how much of proteins, carbohydrates, or fat you should be consuming in a day.
But that
Okay.
again depends on the
That's
person's
the-
lifestyle.
Yes, that again, that is a healthy way of going on a diet.
Diet. Correct.
Yeah.
So that intake. Okay. So this what we are talking right now is all about for the general population to understand, for the normal people to understand. It is not that hi-fi thing that we are talking here. It is very basic thing that for you guys to understand what is the meaning of diet, what you should do, and if you are even planning to go on a diet, please go to a nice nutritionist. Yes, they may charge more, but trust me, they'll give you nice advice,
And
a perfect advice.
Yeah, one more thing is you don't have to go out of your way to have avocados, blueberries,
True.
this that.
What is available?
Yeah, whatever is available in your kitchen, okay, what you have been eating every day. So make slight changes in a day. For example, a person, if he cuts down his calories, 300 calories in a day through diet and 200 through exercise, he can reduce about 500 calories in a day. So that comes up to about 3,500 calories in a week. So he's able to lose 1 pound of weight per week, which is a very
That is
healthy
good.
way.
That is healthy way. Yes.
That is
yes.
which
that
is a very
true.
healthy
2
way.
kilos in a month losing is the right way of
Yeah.
losing weight. Okay. Anything more than that is, up till 3 kilos is okay. But anything more than that, it means you are overworking out or you are dieting in the wrong way. Okay. So that is the fact. So losing 2 to 3 kilos in a month is perfect. It's okay. Nothing more than that. And so anything that basic you would like to add
I mean,
to
these
this?
are the basic points you
Basic
need to
points that we
remember. Yeah.
that we thought of discussing today with you guys on this channel for normal people to understand what diet is. Please, if someone tells you to diet, or if you are in that fat losing mode and you're planning to start a diet, please do not kill yourself and stop eating food, or just don't go on diets or just eating fruits and boiled food. Eat proper food. Consult a dietitian or consult a nutritionist. And by the way, I'll put her number in the description. If anyone of you want to contact her, you can contact and talk to her, whatever is it. Okay, you can take her advice. She is a really good dietitian. To be frank enough, I'm following a diet for now because I've really gained 6 kilos in this lockdown. So yeah, it's really helping. At least I'm not dying out of hunger. I'm getting to eat every 2 hours, every 3 hours. So yeah, that helps a lot.
So the moral of the story is, if you want to lose weight, it can be somebody who wants to put on weight.
Put on
also,
weight, yes. In that case,
It's
if
not,
anyone
it's
wants to,
not always
it's not.
about
Yes,
losing
it's
weight.
yeah.
So the moral of the story is, the calories you take in, okay, and the calories you burn out. So the calories you burn out has to be more than the calories you take in.
Yes.
Yeah, if you have to
Lose weight, yeah. But in that case, people who want to gain weight can also consult. Okay, it's not just about fat loss and weight loss always. It is also about some
Feeling
people.
good about yourself.
Yeah, feeling good about yourself. You see, when you eat healthy food, you feel light, you feel nice from inside. The feeling is only you can understand when you start eating right food, quantity on the right time. So when you follow all the steps, you yourself will feel what difference does it make. How do you feel light from inside? It's just that something that you cannot explain. It is something that you can feel. So yeah, so that's about it. And guys, please understand this. Do not just crash diet. Okay, follow a healthy diet, eat correct food, correct time, and for that, please consult someone. And in this case, I'll be putting a number in the description. So if any one of you want to contact her, can contact. Okay, take help from her. She'll help you out. If you have any questions, you can ask her. She'll surely help you out. So yeah, I think this today's topic is, from basic point of view, it is enough for people to understand. Just in case if there is any more questions or queries coming in, like there are some sports specific inquiries coming in, or someone who really wants to like athletic performance, and then we can talk about that just in case if we have questions coming in. Okay, so yeah, I think that's about it about diet today. And yeah, maybe next time we'll be coming out with some workout, some exercises happening on the floor, some biceps, tricep, chest, anyone. So we can make some video on that about next time. But for today, that is enough. I guess that is going to help this diet. A little chat that we had with Mrs. Shetty is going to help you on this. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video. And I hope you guys are going to like this video. And if you do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to follow this channel. Do not forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Whoever is planning to go on a diet. Yeah. So we'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Till then, you guys take care. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye. See you
Bye.
guys.